Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the Qora digital cash for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, if you're joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora digital cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of it, and of course guys, make sure you practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. If you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. So many people have grown their small trading capital into something reasonable. You too can also do the same thing. So guys, this is boom 1000. Let's start with it. Okay guys, this is boom 1000 5-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend milker trade indicator. This actually got to a support zone right from here, and we got an uptrend signal from here, and of course this is a buy signal. So this is the right way to support a buy signal, because we've gotten an uptrend signal and it is coming from a support zone. Even though the movement of the chart is not that smooth, but at least it's more of an uptrend than a downtrend, and of course till it got to this resistance zone. Right now it has gotten to this resistance zone. We've gotten a downtrend signal, and here is a sell signal, and of course we will be having more of a selling opportunity right now since it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and of course just the way we are seeing it, this had been on downtrend for a very long time, except when it had a pullback around there, but later on went there to break out below the support zone and sold for a very long time. It is at the support zone but still giving us a downtrend signal. So if it's able to break out below the support zone, then it will keep on selling, but if it does not, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so for now this is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it will change the character of the chart. Okay, so this will change into a buy trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Right from this resistance zone, it started the downtrend. You can see the downtrend signal, and you can see the sell signal, and it kept on selling. It got to this region, pulled back, and of course went down again to get to this particular support zone. It has not been able to break out below the support zone, so it went back on buy trend. But if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. If it does not, then we are most likely to experience another sell signal right from there. But for now this is still buying. Okay, so we should have this at the back of our mind. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. Started an uptrend around there. We can see the yellow flag and the buy signal, so it kept on buying and buying. There are pullbacks in between. Each time we have the pullback, it gives us more opportunity to buy again because of the buy signals that we are seeing, and of course it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity, except if it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. So this is still buying at the moment. So if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone, then it will sell. Okay, we should have that at the back of our mind. So the next asset, which is going to be the last one, is going to be V75, and we're going to check it out right away. Okay, so guys, this is V75, volatility 75. The market actually got to this resistance zone and gave us a downtrend signal, and of course the sell signal. Sold for a while, got to this region, pulled back, and went back down again, and it has gotten to this support zone, wasn't able to break out above it, so it's trying to go back into an uptrend. Even though this is still playing around there. Okay, if it's able to break out above the resistance zone, then it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it will try the support zone again to sell. But for now this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, well, for those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, going to go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God